but because I finally get to sit down. So, please tell us about yourself. Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Fatma Al-Awadi. I'm an architect working in a development company in Dubai. I started volunteering when I was a student back in college. I would volunteer in social events and charity events. I like to think of voluntary work as a short-term internship. It's the same kind of experience that you get and the chance to connect with people.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ciao, hi, arigato. How's everybody doing? My name is Khalid Saad, 26 years of age. I work at ADNOC Refining. I come from different backgrounds, one being science. I've done my bachelor's in chemistry, another for which I've done my master's in management, and currently I'm doing a doctorate in artificial intelligence in Wales. I've participated at the Expo in Milan 2015, and after which I've done or participated at the Expo in Kazakhstan, and looking forward the upcoming Great Expo at 2020.
And I'm sure all of us are.
Thank you, Khalid. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Umar Ahmed Al-Hibsi. I'm electrical and electronics engineer working in the nuclear industry, and I'm here today to share with you my previous volunteering experience, as I was honored to to represent UAE in two expos, Expo Milan 2015 and Expo Astana 2017. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Omar. Fatma, let's start with you. I mean, can you tell us what drove you towards volunteering towards Expo?
Actually, Expo Milan 2015 was my first Expo to attend. I always heard about Expo, but I wanted to see it and go and see what it was all about. So it was a great opportunity to see all of that and to see the other pavilions of other countries as well. Plus, but can I ask more to represent the UAE pavilion? Like, I was the ambassador of the UAE pavilion, so that was like a big deal, a huge deal for me. And also on a personal level, as an architect, I always heard about buildings that were built for Expo, like even historically before, like the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Atomium in Brussels. So I was so excited to see what are the buildings that are going to be built there, especially after the UAE announcement that the building was designed by Forster and Partners. I was really excited to go and see it and volunteer.